We are now live. Everyone that's on TikTok, hop on my live stream on Twitch. We are now live on Twitch. Let's have a look and see what's going on. Anyone that's live on here, I am live on Twitch. I am live on Twitch. Guys, just bear with me. What's good, everyone? What's good, what's good, what's good? You lot ready for the markets today? You lot ready to trade? Guys, if you're on TikTok, hop on Twitch. Moby Trades. Mobytrades. Let's make some money. Yo, bro. What's good, YFX Trades? What's good? What's good? What happened, bro? What happened? What happened? Talk to me. My Discord is Moby Trades. Let's have a look. Yeah, show me something, bro. Show me. Guys, if you're on TikTok, hop on my live stream on Twitch right now. So, guys, salam, bro. Salam. What's good? What's good? What's good? So let's have a look at the markets. Let's get right into it. Let's see what's going on and see if we can make some money in the markets today. So first and foremost, what is happening in the markets? We had a big crash yesterday. I didn't really like the way market was moving yesterday, but we're getting a bit of a recovery right now. A bit of a recovery. I wouldn't say that I'm bearish in the markets. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat if you're bullish or bearish on gold. Right now, I would say, and it might sound crazy, but I'm going to say I'm bullish. And I'll explain to you why. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see London Open created a low and we created a high during London Open and London highs. If I put my Fibonacci retracement tool on, to the T, you can see we had a huge bullish order flow at the 78.6. So I'm thinking we may try and tap into London highs and also try and get into this fair value gap. I am going to be bullish. I'm not going to lie to you today. I'm going to be bullish. Unless the market gives me like a big crash in the markets, then yeah, I might look at some bearish moves. Let's have a look at Forex Factory. Let's have a look at Forex Factory, see what's going on there. Let's have a look at Forex Factory, see what kind of news is on today. Was it the 29th today? Yep, 29th. So at 3 p.m. we got job opening. So we got a red folder today as well at 3 p.m. So let's see if we can get a move before 3 p.m. Yo, what's good, bro? What's good? What's good? Last breaker structure is bearish, so I would be bearish. Major one at least. Yeah, so I understand that, yeah, this is bearish. This we had a big bearish push downwards here yesterday. However, if you have a look, we're creating bullish order flow. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We haven't actually created another low yet. So unless we create another low, I'm going to go within what the 1 hour time frame is giving me, because I'm an intraday trader. So I'm not going to go based on like the daily or the 4 hour. So the daily is looking like we could get some sort of recovery. That's what I think. I think we could get some sort of recovery. We didn't even break, or even on the daily, we never broke bearish structure. Right, we swept bearish structure, but we never broke bearish structure. So that is very significant to me. What pairs do I trade? I trade gold. If you want to see me live trade, hop on Twitch right now. Moby Trades. But yeah, I'm still not seeing a bearish breaker structure yet, even on the even on the daily. Sorry, the 4 hour. Yes, we had a bearish breaker structure, but looks like we're going for a little bit of recovery right now. I'm not going to change my bias for bullish, even though I know, okay, yeah, we've had such a bearish run. I know it looks stupid, but based on the sessions, because I like to trade within the sessions as well. Asian session kind of ranged. We had a bit of a manipulation upwards to the London session, sorry. But then as you can see, London session brought it right back down for a good retracement. So if anything, we could look for at least London highs to get hit today. We could get at least a London highs. Did we hit previous session highs or lows? Yeah, we did. So Asian session, we actually broke Asian session highs. So that's significant for me to say, okay, cool, we may be continuing to go up. Now, if I get my retracement tool out for the other side, so the kind of like the bearish move, you can see we haven't even tapped into the 78.6 yet, which is kind of significant for me. Let me have a look on the 4 hour. So the 4 hour is actually up here. Let's do this. Let's go on the 1 hour. See, that's the thing. We're in a bit of a, what's good, bro? What's good, FM Banks? What's good? Yeah, it is a bit of a mixed signal right now. Because yes, we're low-key bearish, but yes, we're bullish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to see how we react to either London highs or London lows. Right now, I feel like we're going to tap into London highs. I genuinely believe we are going to tap into London highs. I think that's something that I definitely want to see, and hopefully we can get that. Have a look at Euro USD or you just focus on gold. I just focus on gold. When I'm trading and I'm trying to make money, I focus on the pair that I want to make money with. And that's something that's gold for me right now. If gold doesn't play out the way I want it to play out, then I'll obviously look at another pair. But already I'm looking at some nice buys already. Looking at some really nice buys. We never actually broke bullish structures on the 5 minute just yet, which is kind of an L. So look, this is what I'm going to go with today. I'm going to, because from what I can see on the 5 minute, we do have this bearish fair value gap that could potentially make the market go down. It could potentially make the market go down. TikTok, by the way, I'm not seeing the chat on TikTok. So what I would say is hop on Twitch, drop a message on Twitch. Moby Trades, guys. So I'm not looking at the chat on TikTok, by the way. I can only see the chat for Twitch right now. So if you're interested and you want to ask me questions, hop on Twitch, Moby Trades. So right now I want to see this fair value gap get disrespected completely. So let's see if that happens. If we respect this fair value gap, then we have a bunch of liquidity that we could kind of target. I do think that chat, what do you think? Do you think London session did a manipulation here? Do you think this is because look, I know a lot of traders, I know what's his name? What's bro's name? FM Banks. I know you do accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So is this like a good model for you? So accumulation, price then manipulates to sweep the highs, and now we're going down. Is that something that you could see? Because I would go bearish. I just feel like on the 1 hour, we have room for price to get to this fair value gap. That's the only reason why I feel like we have room for price to go up. Other than that, I would have been bearish today. And also, we haven't actually broke any bearish breaker structure just yet. So if we have to, we'd have to see. But 3 p.m. could be significant for us. 3 p.m. could be very, very significant. But look, if we don't disrespect this fair value gap, we get bearish order flow out of this fair value gap, then yeah, I could be bearish. I could be bearish. You think DXY looking bullish today? Let's have a look at the DXY. Let's have a look. Yeah, DXY is 100% bullish. 100% bullish. Let me just remove this. Remove forward ranks. Yeah, 100% bullish. I think DXY has a chance to tap up to these highs. I believe, yeah, DXY is definitely bullish. We've broken bullish breaker structure. So that makes USD strong. So yeah, gold could potentially go down. Maybe this was a manipulation. Now that I'm really diving in and actually having a look, maybe this is a manipulation. And this big bullish candlestick was just a sweep out previous. Because that's you know what it is? What I don't like about the market right now is that the opening of the market will look so strong and then it will just dump. It will just dump and then it just looks weak and it's horrible. I hate that. I hate that a lot. Because open made a high. Yeah. I see why you're against prop firms now. I swear, bro. What? Is this a story time that you're trying to tell me, bro? DXY looks so bullish to me. Yeah, literally, bro. I don't know. I don't know. I hate days like this where it's like we got a bit of manipulation going on. But look, we're getting bearish order flow out of here. We're respecting this 5-minute FVG. Look, if we can break 5-minute breaker structure, I may look for bearish moves. If we can break like a 5-minute, if we can break these lows on the 5-minute, I may look for some sells. I'll send you something funny. You accept Discord request when you can. Okay, let me do that now. Yeah, accepted you, bro. I accepted you on Discord. I'm really the way gold's looking really bearish right now. So DXY is bullish means gold needs to move the opposite. Yeah, literally. If DXY is bullish, then definitely we're gonna be bearish on gold. Which is that also means that Euro USD should be bearish as well. Pay out down the drain and 100k lost in funding. Bro, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. That's crazy. What prop firm was this? Looking like it might target some 4-hour lows. That's what I'm thinking. It looks like we're actually pushing down now. Might even look at some 1-minute breaker structures. Because we're actually about to break 1-minute structure. I'm liking that one. I'm liking the 1-minute. TikTok, if you're asking me any questions, I'm not looking at the chat. You have to hop on Twitch. It's Moby Trades. Bought 500k in evaluation because I was so pissed, but might just trade live on top. Bro, always. Breakthrough Capital scam firm? Oh, damn. Let's have a look at Discord. Let's have a look. So, bro said, as I said, VPN usage is breach of terms and account closure on the 5th of June. I don't have an account as of now, unless you're saying my name is entirely breached from using Breakthrough Capital. Yes, we forced to entirely ban you from using us usually, as it puts our contract with the trading platforms at this. Damn. Bro, that's crazy, bro. So what are they saying? That you're just banned from Breakthrough Capital. You're just banned from it. Or I can show on the live stream? Cool. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So chat. This is why I don't like prop firms. So let's have a look, right? As I said, VPN usage is a breach of terms and account closure. Okay, I get that. Fair enough, right? Fair enough. If the platform doesn't allow you to use VPN, that's fair enough. On the 5th of June, I don't have any accounts from the 5th of June as of now, unless you're using my name, unless you're saying my name is entirely breached from using Breakthrough Capital. Let's see what their response was. Yes, we forced to entirely ban you from using us, usually as it puts our contract with the trading platforms at use, as there is their measures. Does he know how to speak English? Why is this? Does he not proofread what he's written? Which is why we had to put in our terms and conditions. In your case, the risk team will review this and contact you. So bro said, right, but the thing is, I don't even know if I use the VPN or not. This was on the 5th of June, and those accounts were breached anyway. By now, it genuinely also maybe someone compromised my account and hacked into it. I really don't know what to tell you. This was so long ago, and I no longer have accounts from back then. Surely you would have noticed them placing TEDs or breaching your account and would have contacted us then. Surely I would have if they even placed trades. What if they just logged in and didn't do anything? I have no clue, man. This was ages ago. I only get notified of this now when requesting a payout. This is crazy, bro. So they let you pay for accounts, and they will take your money. But when you want to pay out, that's when they start. Bro, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. This is why I don't go for prop firms, and I go for funded I go for live accounts, because you know, prop firms they're here to take your money, guys. They're here to take your monies. Now, I've had a few people that have said Breakthrough Capital is a bit dodgy. I would just say, look, like, charge it to the game, buy another prop firm challenge, don't go with them. Just charge it to the game, bro, and just hop on live, bro. Hop on live. I just missed a huge move on Euro USD. Oh, man. So right now, gold is looking bullish again. I'm liking the fact that, okay, gold could, if gold can break this fair value gap, this 5-minute fair value gap, that would be clean. Because again, we have not had a break of structure. We haven't had a bearish break of structure. So let's see what gold is saying. Let's see what gold is saying. But YFX trades, I don't even know what to say, bro. That's crazy behavior. That is crazy behavior from prop firms. And this is another reason why I say don't go to a prop firm that is run by influencers. And if that's the case, make sure you have a backlog of everything, bro. Like, the last thing you want to tell them is you don't remember the day, because reality is, bro, they can make up anything and you're going to have to believe them because they're a company. So I would always say, if you're going to use a prop firm, backlog everything, journal everything. I remember when one of my students had an issue with a broker, but he journaled everything. And all we had to do, and I literally said, look, I'm on social media. I can make a video and tarnish you guys' name. I could just make 1,000 videos of tarnishing you guys' name. And then they finally gave him the payout. And the reason why they did that is because they realized that this person has a journal. He journaled all his trades, and it was backed by, I think, TradeZell at the time. Not only that, this guy has sent me every single trade. So it's logged in every single trade that he's on. I think what this prop firm was trying to do was they were trying to tell him that he's breached his account because it was over the Christmas period. He didn't trade over for 2 weeks. And they said that they breached his account because he hasn't traded for a month, which was all BS. And then once they did that, they ended up giving him a free account, which I think was like 50 or 100K free account, just to cover up the mistake that they made. So when it comes to these prop firms, you need to make sure that you are 100% backlogging everything and collecting every single data. If you don't do that, they can just make up some next BS and then you're screwed. And then and they will only say that when you are requesting a payout, because that's when they worry. When you get a payout, they're scared because they're like, okay, we have just lost a bit of money. Because that's the aim for prop firms. The aim for prop firms is to make as much money as possible. Now, what I would say for you, bro, specifically, is have a look at the terms of service, have a look at the terms and conditions, and see if you can find a bypass of this. And if anything, try and get a refund from those accounts. If anything, just tell them that, look, and if you can, get a backlog of why your accounts got breached in the first place. Get a backlog of why accounts got breached in the first place and see what happens. But let's have a look. Let's have a look and see what's going on here with gold. What firm was this with? It was Breakthrough Capital. Breakthrough Capital. Chat, TikTok, if you're interested in asking me questions or you want to hop on my live stream, it's Moby Trades on Twitch. I'm not looking at the chat on TikTok right now. So we're back in this FVG, which is great. I am looking for this FVG to get disrespected. If it doesn't get disrespected, then I'll be bearish. It's fine. Will do, bro. Can't do anything at this point except ruin their image on my socials. Yeah, bro. But before you do that, do it professionally. Like, I wouldn't recommend like tarnishing the name, because you don't want them to clap back and then suddenly they're exposing your details as well, which is unprofessional. It's not professional on their end either. Look at the terms of service. Look if you even signed an NDA, because some prop firms, they will make you sign an NDA where you can't disclose anything with what is with the platform. So make sure you look at the terms of service first, the terms and conditions, before you do anything, bro. Can you recommend copy trading since I'm still new to the game and trying to learn? Well, if I don't recommend copy trading to anyone that's just trying to learn, because it's a big distraction. Copy trading is a waste of time, especially like if you're really trying to be a trader, if you're really trying to learn how to trade, there's no point copy trading. What you want to do instead is you want to learn exactly how to trade, get to a level where you can trade independently. Look, bro, if you're on my live stream, I don't want you to be following other people's trades. I don't even want you to follow my trades. The only reason why I'm live trading is because so many people on TikTok, so many people on social media are like, "Oh, I don't believe you that you're a trader." Da, 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 da. Even though I've live traded for 6 months prior and I literally had 0 losing months. But you know what? It's fun. I don't mind. It's content. I don't really care. But with regards to the copy trading, bro, you can copy my trades if you want to. You can do whatever you want. It's at your own risk. I'm just doing this for educational purposes, just showing you guys that I'm a trader. I trade, I do this for a living, and also to show you the reality of trading. I'm most likely going to lose more than I win. However, I'm a profitable trader and I'm good and I'm happy about that. So if you're trying to learn how to trade, I have opened up a few spaces to my coaching program. Is one-on-one, completely for free. If you're interested, just click the link in the description or the bio, and fill out the form, bro. It literally takes 30 seconds and you can literally speed run through the learning phase of trading and learn from me and get coached by me one-on-one. If you're interested, click the link in the bio or click the link in the description. It should be on there. But let's have a look, because we're still getting rejections out of this fair value gap, which isn't that great. Looks like we're sweeping these highs. Let's see what price does. Let's see what price does. Chat, if you're new to this live stream, give me a follow, chat. Give me a follow. If you're new to this live stream, give me a follow. Give me a follow. I appreciate the follows, guys. I appreciate the follows. Our goal is to get to 100 followers by the end of this month. So we literally have like, sorry, not this month. I don't even know when. Actually, let's just get to 100. I don't even know when we're gonna. By the end of August, at least. End of August, guys. Damn, that reversal's crazy. So once this fair value gap gets kind of like invalidated, that's when I will look for moves. But it looks like it's getting respected quite a lot. But I'm liking the fact that we have good order flow out of these lows. We just swept these lows as well. I'm liking that. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can get a bounce off this 1 minute fair value gap. Because we never broke structure. We never broke 1 minute structure to the bearish side. I mean, we kind of did over here, but I mean when we come out of the fair value gap, we never really broke structure. So this could just be a reversal and pushing up. Let's see how price reacts to this FVG. TikTok, if you're new to this live stream, hop on Twitch, Moby Trades. I'm live right now looking for trades. Damn, we're really hesitating at this FVG. So yeah, that 1 hour. That 1 hour is looking good to keep pushing up. If this 1 hour candlestick doesn't close bullish, that's going to be techie. That is going to be techie for real. We have a 30-minute FVG as well. I mean, we've got 5 minutes. If this 30-minute FVG, let me just remove this 5-minute one. If this 30-minute FVG, if we get bearish order flow, that means we're most likely going to be pushing down. We're getting good rejections out of the order block. Chat, we might be bearish. We might be bearish. If we disrespect this 1 minute FVG, we might be bearish. And then from there, I'll just look for sells. Because then we got all this liquidity that we can target. I'm not really liking the fact that we haven't really hit our area of interest. This is techie. This is techie behavior, bro. Gold is just moving weird. See, New York Open, and we haven't even really got anything clear out of New York Open. Twitch, if you're new to this live stream, chat, if you're new to this live stream, give me a follow. I'm live every single day, Monday to Thursday at 2 p.m. Give me a follow and you get to see me live trade. Damn. Gold is moving weird as hell, bro. If we break these highs, we might be able to get some order flow out of the fair value gap. But that is a weird candlestick. 22 seconds left for this candlestick. At the moment, chat, I'm not really confident with entries just as of yet. Once I get a clear understanding of what price action is trying to do, then we can look for some entries. But right now, my bias is, this is what's techie. My bias is right now is bearish. I'm gonna have to change my bias here, only because of that 30-minute time frame. The 15-minute, we haven't actually broke bearish structure. That's the only problem. But you know what it is we, even this 15-minute fair value gap, we got bearish order flow out of there. So realistically, I am actually looking at bearish plays, and all I'm looking for now is this 1-minute FVG to get disrespected, and then we get to continue, because I just see more of a chance. What liquidity did price sweep on the higher time frame? So we actually haven't had any liquidity sweeps on the higher time frame. We haven't had any liquidity sweep. That's another thing. I have a feeling that we may tap London highs, and that's what's really irritating me right now, is that we haven't had any higher time frame liquidity sweep. Even if I look on the 4 hours, we haven't actually had any higher time frame liquidity sweep. So that's what's really irritating me right now. If we can get some sort of liquidity sweep on a high time frame, then yeah, I may look at some sort of moves. But at the moment, it's my direction is okay. So my direction is right now for London highs to get hit. That is my direction. That's rule number one, Ally. Yes, bro, it is. It is 100%. However, if you have a look at London session, we actually broke Asian session highs, causing some sort of bullish reaction. So right now we're actually at Asian session highs. So if we decide to continue and push up, then we may be able to just keep going with the bullish move. So that's why I'm very hesitant right now with sales, even though I have sales looks way better because of all the stacked up liquidity that we have. Sales does look way better. However, I believe that we may have a bullish run before, or a bullish push before we get some sales. However, looking at what price action is doing, it looks like we're about to, we've just disrespected this 1-minute FVG. So looks like we're looking for some sales now. So looks like we're looking for some sales. That's what we're going for. We haven't broke structure just yet, but I think looks like we're going for some sales now. If that's what price wants to give us, that's what price wants to give us. I think all this liquidity is going to get hit. Maybe before London highs get hit, we want to tap into these lows. Maybe that's what it is, because we got a stacked up liquidity here. Let's see, because DXY is also looking bullish. Let's have a look. Because on the 15 minutes, we did have a liquidity sweep right here in the FVG, which is significant. New York opening highs have been swept. Yeah, New York opening highs, New York opening has been swept. Okay, let's have a look if we can get some sort of respect of this FVG. Let's see what happens. I'm not liking how we haven't actually broke structure yet, so I'm gonna wait till we break this bearish structure. Because Price action is looking horrible right now. Price action is looking horrible. TikTok, if you're new to the live stream, hop on Twitch. I'm not answering any questions on TikTok right now. I'm on Twitch, Moby Trades. Ask me any questions on Twitch. I'm not looking at the chat. You can't see the screen because you're not on Twitch. If you're banned on Twitch, that's on you, bro. That's on you. How could you get banned on Twitch? What the hell? I mean, I get why you get banned, but oof, this is looking kind of good though. This move right here is looking kind of good. But the only problem is we never broke structure. Damn. I'm just looking for a clean break of structure. That's all I'm looking for. A clean break of structure first. We're following order bearish order flow very, very well though. Calm. If this candlestick breaks, that would be so clean for us. That'd be super clean for us. Damn. Damn. What the hell, gold? Crazy behavior, bro. Oh my days. Crazy behavior, bro. Bro. Okay. That's a big drop. That is a big drop. We may get some sort of liquidity sweep. Obviously, this is a target. Bro. I mean, we have this. Okay, we broke bearish structure. We haven't actually formed the FVG yet, but let's just wait. Let's just wait and see what price is doing. Let's wait. Chat, we're looking for sales. Clearly, order flow. Clearly, markets want sales right now. Clearly, want some sales. Let's see how price reacts to this though. Because we've just tapped TP1. We just tapped TP1 and we've got 2 minutes left for this candlestick. If we can break TP1, this might be a techie play. Okay, we have an FVG now. Okay, this could be a techie play because TP1's already been hit. But let's see how we react out of this FVG. Let's see how we react out of this FVG. I might need to get some orders ready. Because this is looking like we're gonna keep going down. Also have these lows right here. We've got these lows right here. So we've got quite a good run. We've got 1 minute, and I'm not liking how we're sweeping these lows. Let's just have a look. I'd rather just price break first before we can get some entry. That would be clean. Chat, did any of you get into that first initial sell? If this candlestick reverses, that's gonna be crazy. Because then we're definitely bullish. If this candlestick reverses. Loki, I do want. I mean, we've got 10 seconds. Loki, I do want price to close below this low. But I mean, can it do it? Can it do it? 2 seconds. Okay, cool. So it's technically not a technically it is a low-key liquidity sweep, but we didn't get bullish order flow out of it yet. I'm looking for price to tap into this FVG. The only thing is now is if we break this high, then we've got bullish order flow. That's the only thing now. So we have to see how price will tap into this FVG. Or if it even does. But that TP1 target, that would have been the fastest TP1 I would have ever had within literally 2 minutes. Fastest TP1 that would have been. Gold is moving mad. Yeah, nah, for real, bro. For real, gold is moving mad. I mean, we got news in the next. Look, if we just tap all this liquidity, like if we tap into London lows, it might be techie. It might be techie. It might be techie for me to trade. If we hit London lows, then that means I just never got to move today. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. I might just wait till red folder like makes his move, then play. But it looks like we're about to sweep this liquidity. But I have a feeling the red folder is gonna sweep London lows. Chat, is my stream buffering a lot? Is my stream glitching a lot, chat? On my end, it looks good. No, I'm good. Bro, it must be your Wi-Fi, bro. It must be your Wi-Fi if it's buffering. Yeah, this is crazy. Okay, calm, calm, calm. Now, people on TikTok are saying that it's buffering, so I just wanted to make sure we're all good. That might have been an SMT. See what Silver's saying. Yeah, that might be an SMT, chat. I think that's an SMT. Because Silver's just created high highs. Yeah, this is an SMT. I think we're pushing up, chat. I think we're pushing up. I'm gonna must be McDonald's Wi-Fi. I'm gonna see how price reacts to this FEG. I'm gonna get rid of this FEG real quick, but let's see how price reacts to this. But I'm saying that we've just swept liquidity. This actually could be a good run for us. Can I see the SMT, please? Okay, cool. So on silver, let me actually mark up silver for you lot so you can actually see what the hell's going on. So let me just mark up the sessions. 1 p.m. 8 a.m. 1 a.m. Okay, cool. Let me just mark up my highs and lows. Asian session highs. Asian session lows. London lows. London highs. Okay, cool. And as you can see, if I go on to the 5 minutes, as you can see on the 5 minutes, we actually respecting the bullish fair value gap. Not only that, if I go on the 1 minute and I just have two charts so you lot can see. Okay, have a look at this, chat. So on gold on the 1 minute and on silver on the 1 minute, can you see how on silver we created a higher high, whereas on gold we create a higher low? So for me, that's like, okay, cool. This is probably an SMT and price is going up. Price is going to be pushing up. That's what I'm thinking. But again, we have to break these highs to really notice that. But I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. I mean, we could still be pushing down, but I mean, the way price is looking now, we may be pushing up again. TikTok, if you want to speak to me or you want to ask me a question, hop on Twitch. I'm live on Twitch right now. Moby Trades, MOBY TRADES. I'm live on Twitch. Literally download Twitch right now or go on twitch.tv/Moby Trades. Thank you for the follow, bro. Thank you for the follow. I need to sort out the animation because that's hella small. That is hella small. I need to sort out that animation for my follows. But I appreciate the follow, bro. I appreciate the follow. Yeah, I'm liking this bullish move right now. Damn, I appreciate the follow, guys. I appreciate the follow. I can't actually see who's following me right now. Let me try and make this big. Can someone give me another follow so we can see how big that is? Pause. Big pause. Bro's audience is growing rapid. Fair play, man. I appreciate it, bro. Look, when you provide value, I mean, I'm trying to help you lot out. So I'm happy that you guys are appreciating the value that I'm providing you guys. But yeah, chat. Someone give me a follow so I can see how big the follow thing is now. I'm so terrible at these little animation things. So TikTok, if someone can, if you lot, someone can go on thingy. Okay, cool. There we go. There we go. Is that clear now? Is that clear? Can you not see that? So Geordie B 28. We got news at 3 p.m., bro. Yeah, I know, bro. I might just wait for 3 p.m. news. You looking for sales? I'm low-key looking for buys. I can't lie to you. It sounds crazy, but I'm low-key looking for buys. We've just swept liquidity over here, so I'm low-key looking for buys. I'm just waiting for this 1 minute FVG to see how price reacts out of there. Yeah, I'm looking. I might have to look for a trade after news, after the red folder. I appreciate the follow, chat. I appreciate the follow. Let's get to 50 followers by the end of this live stream. I think we're gonna smash that anyways. If we can get to 100 followers by the end of this live stream, chat, I can't lie. We're literally hustling. We're grinding out here. Let's see how this candlestick plays out. TikTok, if you're new to this live stream, hop on Twitch. I'm not looking at the chat here. Hop on Twitch. I'm literally live on Twitch right now looking for opportunities in the markets. I'm liking Twitch though. Twitch is fun though. I can't lie. I used to go live on what was it? On Discord, but Twitch is fun. I like Twitch. Might have to do some double overtime on Twitch and do some like crazy live streams in the evening. I can't wait to get to IRL streaming. Like IRL live streaming while I'm on holiday. Bro, that's going to be so lit, bro. I just need to figure out how to connect my DJ camera so that it's on my DJI, or I might have to just buy a phone. I know a lot of streamers use phones, but I don't know. I don't know what phone to get. Chat, if you know which phone, because I've got a few iPhones, but I don't want to be streaming with an iPhone. Apparently, like the battery life on the iPhone is terrible when it comes to IRL streaming. I'm not liking how like we actually didn't break structure here and we actually tapped into the FVG. If you get bearish order flow, this could be cooked, chat. We could potentially be going down. Might have to wait for this 5 minute, because even in the 5 minute, we just tapped into FVG. If this is bearish order flow, I might have to go for sells because it's actually respecting order flow. It's actually respecting market structure, actually. Only thing I'm worried about is you know what? We might just have to wait for news. It's 2:43 p.m. in the UK. We might just have to wait for news, chat. We might have to just wait for news. And I know we're being hella patient, but this is what's gonna pay the bills. So we might have to just wait for some news to happen. See if news does a bit of manipulation, and then hopefully get some play out of it after. But let's see. Because New York right now has caused a big. I mean, the way the daily candlestick is looking like kind of mid. I mean, gold on the daily is looking mid. Gold on the 4 hours also looking kind of mid, looking kind of bearish. 1 hour is looking bullish, low key. I mean, actually looking bearish. I'm not gonna lie to you. Gold is looking bearish on the 1 hour, which is kind of annoying. Because on the 5 minutes, we're looking like at like some good reversal right now. Let's see what this does. I mean, we have a high right here. You know, these highs right here. No, we haven't broken that, so we've got a current high right here. Let's see what this does. I think this is gonna disrespect the FVG in a sec. But I mean, this is a 5 minute, right? Damn, chat. On the 1 hour, that is literally giving a liquidity sweep of New York Open. If this candlestick can close bullish, that would be nice. So my bias is still bullish. I mean, we're respecting this FVG still, this 1 minute FVG. So let's see. TikTok, I'm not looking at the chat. If you want to speak to me or you want to ask me questions, hop on Twitch, Moby Trades. Also, chat, if you want to get coached by me completely free for the next 3 days, Click the link in the description or the bio, fill out the form. Or is joinmobytrades.com and fill out the form. Yeah, this bearish order flow is looking mad. It's actually looking crazy, bro. What's going on with gold? Like, why is gold moving weird? This is that pre New York. This is that pre New York move. Chat, we're so close to 50 followers. Someone has to give us a follow, chat. Someone has to give us a follow. By the way, this is my third stream. This is my third stream of my entire life on Twitch. So I'm actually so happy that we're actually growing like crazy. Okay, so that's bearish order flow on this 1 minute FVG. It's doing everything that I don't want it to do right now. Let me just get rid of this. If it respects this 5 minute, but it's news though. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. I appreciate that comment, bro. You don't cheat people, you deserve it. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate that comment a lot. It feels good, you know, when I don't really look at the views and the numbers of the social media, but if I can just if I can just change people's lives and impact their life, even if it's the smallest thing, if I can do that, it just makes me happy. So I'm happy that you wrote that, bro. That's an amazing comment. But we might be looking for some sales because sales is clearly just dominating the market right now. Sales is clearly dominating the market. I've never been this unsure though with the market. Like the way the market's playing out right now is horrible. Like I've never been this unsure in my whole entire trading journey. And usually when I'm this unsure, I'm very reserved. I don't really like to be aggressive. The only time I'm aggressive is if it's like clear high highs, high lows. Like if it's clear. And you know, even if I look at the fib again, from London lows to London highs, we're still respecting the 78.6, which is like, it's still kind of making me very hesitant because not only have we had bullish order flow once, twice, but 3 times at that level. So it really is confusing me on what I really want the market to do. But like Meji One Up said, the number one rule is looking for a higher time frame liquidity sweep. Yeah, bro, it is. Market right now is moving horrible. But this is expected though, because like, you know, right now, I think China extended the 90-day tariffs. So that is obviously gonna make the market very, very like volatile and dumpy and choppy. So that is valid. I remember Trump is creating new rules and new tariffs on the go. So you know, USD, anything against USD is going to be very, very volatile. At this point, I'm hesitant to even go to Nasdaq or S&P 500 just because of how volatile it is. But I know like even yesterday when I forward tested, I know we could have made some sort of good money out of yesterday's price action. But again, we just got to wait. We literally just have to wait. But what's good? What's good, Ferdy? I didn't know you were on the stream, bro. What's good? I hope you're great. I hope you're good. Okay, we're about to go into macros. We've got news at 3. Let's see what happens. So we've got red folder at 3. Let's see what happens. What are they forecasting? So they're forecasting 7.51 million, which is actually lower than what it was last month. Oh, sorry, the start of the month, July the 1st. Thank you for the follow, bro. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Moby, do you trade liquidity and imbalance or just pure price action order flow? No, I trade liquidity. I trade liquidity imbalances. I add in price action as well, which is highs and lows, and order flow as well. So I pretty much do all of that. But I make it as simple as possible. For me, my aim is to make trading so simple that literally anyone can do it. And literally it doesn't matter, even if you can't speak English, you can trade. Like that's how simple I want it to be. But let's have a look. So if it's greater than the forecast, then that's good for the currency. So right now they're forecasting it to be lower than what it was at the start of the month. Let's see if it can be. If it's positive, USD is going to be positive. Therefore, maybe USD, we might get a good sell out of gold. We're respecting the FVG quite well, but I have a feeling that we're going to sweep some sort of liquidity when the red folder occurs. Alright, chat. Do you remember we had someone yesterday on the live stream said they're gonna buzz their hair? Chat, I can validate right now they buzzed their hair. I don't know if we can get it on the stream, but he buzzed his hair. He actually buzzed his hair. That's actually crazy. That's so good. Look, if you buzz your hair, you're instantly gonna get profitable. Bro actually buzzed his hair. I don't even know if he's gonna. I might have to ask him if I'm allowed to put it on the stream. But bro, he actually buzzed his hair. He's actually he's becoming a man. He's actually buzzed his hair. That is lit. That is lit. I can't lie. That is lit. He actually did it. Yeah, you want me to put it on the stream? Okay, bro. I'll put it on the stream. Let me see if I can. I might have to download it. Can I put it on the stream? Chat, bear with me, chat. I need to figure out how to put this on the stream. No, he actually did it, chat. He actually did it. That is lit, though. That is lit. Let me see if I can figure out how to put it on. He actually did it. So guys, I'm back. Yeah, we got some time, so let's have a look at. One of my followers has buzzed his hair because he really wants to be a serious trader. And so I'm going to try to figure out if I can put it on the stream. Just bear with me, chat. Bear with me. How the hell? There we go. There we go, chat. There we go. He actually buzzed his hair, chat. He actually buzzed his hair. I can't lie, that's a clean buzz. And he's got trade. Bro is literally going to be a successful trader. I'm not gonna lie to you. Bro's got trading in the zone book ready to read. And he's literally got a buzz cut. Bro, do you know that that's literally, you are going to become a good trader, bro. You're going to be a successful trader, bro. Just keep up the work, bro. And you're gonna do it. Yeah, bro. The guy from yesterday actually did it. I'm actually proud of him. I'm actually proud of him that he actually did it. He stuck to his word. Chat, we hit 51 followers. I appreciate it. I appreciate the followers, guys. I appreciate the followers. I didn't even notice. Find someone that speaks normal while trading. Yeah, come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm not about to sit here and chat like a nerd. On actually, too much. I am a little nerd though in the markets. I will be real. I will be real with you lot, chat. I am a little nerd. I remember one of my students was like, I like the fact that you're such a nerd in the markets. I was like, you know what? I'll take that as a compliment. I'll take that as a compliment. But chat, if you got any videos that you want me to react to, we've got some time. Send it on. Send it on. Literally, message it on the chat or something. Send me the link and we'll put it on. If you got anything that you want me to react to, or any charts or anything you want me to react to, your trades or anything like that, literally put it on to the chat. You know what, bro? I can't lie to you. You deserve a follow back as well. Bro that literally got a buzz cut, you deserve a follow back. That's amazing, bro. Because we've got 6 minutes till news. Let's react to some of you lot's charts. Literally, if you're brave and you want some sort of feedback, swing your charts along. I don't know if you can do it on the chat on Twitch, but add me on Discord, Moby Trades. But we're respecting the thing. Let's see what YFX is saying. So YFX has checked the terms of conditions. Look at the firm's rules, and it says if they caught you, they told me that my entire name, my new account that breached too clearly. They should check the rules now because I'm requesting pairs. I would say, bro, like screenshot their terms and conditions, and say that look. I never received a message saying that. So okay, cool. Let me ask you a question. YFX, did you when you breached your account, does it specifically say that you breached this account because of a use of VPN, or on that account specifically, did it was it a thing where you just you just failed that account? What was it, bro? But I'm gonna be real. Why don't prop firms allow VPNs? Oh, bro, why were you using a VPN? They can't even prove I used a VPN. But I mean, why? What was the reason? Like, were you even were you even using a VPN? Obviously, I'm not trying to draw you out, but like, I don't even know if I used it 5th of June. But like, what's the reason of VPN? Is it because of like markets? Like you can't place trades in a country or something? I don't even know. I mean, bro, if I was you, screenshot that. First of all, did they? Oh, okay. It showed you in France. I appreciate the follow, bro. I appreciate the follow. We need to get that text to black, don't we? Let me get that text to black. We need, because I want everyone to know who's following. Let's get that text to black. Bear with me, chat. Can I even get the text to black? Oh, there we go. Text. Let's get it to black. There we go. Yeah, but I don't even know like what you can in this situation, bro. I would try and fight your case as much as you can. Just and if they can't give you the payout, is you gotta just take it on the chin. I would just say though, bro, like next time, like don't buy a prop firm account if they've already breached you. Because if they breached you, then that's what it is, bro. You know, it is with prop firms. They're gonna do anything in their power not to give you a payout, bro. And that's just so unfortunate, bro. Like so unfortunate. So he's put this screenshot chat. So this is the breakthrough capital. Is anyone else allowed to trade my accounts beside me? No, trading accounts must be used exclusively by the account owner. Any violation of this rule, including a VPN or VPS, will result in breach of terms and account closure. Additionally, third parties. Okay, policy terms of the call. I'll strictly prohibit to maintain the security and integral trading accounts. Okay, fair enough. I hear that. However, it does not state over here that you'll be permanently banned. So, bro, literally tell them that on here does not state that I'll be permanently banned. All it says is that it'll just be a breach of terms and an account closure, which I'm guessing is a trading account closure. Now, if they state to you, bro, that look, account closure means the actual account, like your name is banned, then tell them that why was I allowed to buy another platform? Why was I allowed to buy another prop firm challenge? And I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. You might have to just you might have to fight your case on that, but it might be a thing where you're just gonna have to like bombard them. And if anything, bro, like make a TikTok about it and just don't make a TikTok like hating on them. Make a TikTok asking like the community like has this happened to them and what they can do about it. Oh, okay, yeah. Because at the end of the day, like if they banned you, why were you allowed to buy another prop firm challenge? And if that's the case, out of integrity, they should return you the payment of that 100K. You should get a refund because at the end of the day, that's their system failing. That's my opinion. If I owned a prop firm, what I would do is look, if someone's got permanently banned, it is what it is. I'm not gonna take money off you. I'm just gonna like, I'm gonna return back the money that you gave me. Unfortunately, you're permanently banned, and it is what it is. But I hear it. I hear it when they say they don't want VPNs or other people trade copies and stuff like that. I hear it because, you could be copying trades or you could be copying trades from other people and win prop firm challenges, and that's affecting their business at the end of the day. So I hear that, bro. I do hear that. But this is why I don't like prop firms, you know, because these rules are a bit stupid. But I hear the rules, but it is a bit stupid. But I mean, this is why before you buy any prop firm challenge, you look at the terms and conditions before you purchase anything. Anything in life, guys. So it's 3 p.m. Let's have a look at what the news is saying. Ooh, it dropped. So that means USD is going to be weak. USD is weak, guys. It was meant to be 5-1. It actually dropped. So as you can see here, if the actual is greater than the forecast, it's good for the currency. It wasn't. So that's going to weaken. That's going to make... So technically, we should get these FVGs get disrespected now. Technically, our bullish order flow, our bullish bias should now work. I'm hoping that gold goes up. But TikTok, if you're new to the live stream, hop on Twitch. Hop on Twitch right now. Moby Trades. MOBY TRADES. Not really getting a nice. I mean, look, liquidity swept on higher time frame. Liquidity sweep on higher time frame. I can't lie to you because this is also liquidity lows. It's just a low resistant liquidity. However, let's see what price does. I'm looking for this FVG to get disrespected. That's all I'm looking for right now. I'm not looking at USD getting strong. I don't see gold going down now. If I'm going to be honest with you, I don't see gold going down. I see gold pushing up. All I really now need to see is like, because look, we've just swept, like it's a bunch of liquidity sweeps, which is good. What's silver saying? Silver also did a liquidity sweep. And we broke bullish structure on silver. So yeah, we're definitely bullish. Chat, I'm definitely bullish. Now we just got to look for an opening. I'm definitely bullish though, chat. All I really now need to do is look for an opening, and I think we should be good. Come on, gold. Give us some sort of bullish order flow, man. Give us some sort of bullish order flow. I'm liking that we're pushing up. Can we break this FVG, please? Can we break this FVG, please? Oh, gold is moving like slow though, bro. Like this red folder, it was slow. I mean, this was positive though, but it's an orange folder. So it's mixed, but obviously the red folder was negative, which is kind of bad. Damn, okay. I'm hoping that this is just a liquidity sweep. Loki set me up with the buzz, bro. It's better. That's good, bro. That's good. I'm happy that you're happy with the buzz, bro. I'm happy that you're happy with the buzz. Cause look, bro, it's gonna make you lock in now. Cause there's no point. You're gonna wake up, you're gonna have a shower, and there's no wasting time. As soon as you wake up, you have a shower, you get ready, and you're on the charts. You're ready for action, bro. You see, when people have long hair and they gotta do their hair, bro. I had it, bro. It was long. I had to wake up, I had to get ready, and it took me like 15 to 30 minutes just to get my hair done, slick it back. But it was all long, bro. Instead, now, all I do is wake up, look great, feel amazing, hop on the charts, make some money, good to go. Like, that's all I do, bro. And it's just such a easy, it's just so nice, bro. It's so nice to just do that. And also, it's like, it also looks good, you know? Looks good. I like the get one buzz every year. Yeah, bro. Bro, if you guys watch my old videos, I used to have a buzz cut. I grew out my hair for like 2 years. Well, actually, that's cap. For like, it was actually like, I had long hair for like a long time, but I grew it out long for like a year. But yeah, buzz cuts are literally OP. I hope this is a liquidity sweep though. I hope this is a liquidity sweep and there's nothing too crazy. I hope this is just a manipulation. Because right now, gold is looking like a sell. I appreciate the follow, bro. I appreciate the follow. I don't know why it's not black. I swear I saved it. I swear I saved it. It's meant to be black, chat. I appreciate the follow, chats. I appreciate the follows. It's meant to be black. Oh, I did it wrong. There we go. There we go. I appreciate the follows, chat. I appreciate the follows. I appreciate the follows. Someone give me a follow back and you're going to see that it should be black now. It should be easy to read. Okay, there we go. Getting bullish order flow. Please disrespect this FEG, please. Chat. I'm trading gold, TikTok. But TikTok, I'm not looking at the chat here, so please hop on Twitch. Please hop on Twitch. Just hit break even, gang. So what were you, bullish or bearish, bro? Okay, there we go. There we go. This is what we like to see, chat. This is what we like to see. Can we like smash this FEG? Oh, you were bearish. Okay. I can see why you were bearish, but high time frames is not looking like a. I mean, we're so close to London lows though, bro. We're so close to London lows. But look, if we can get a big push, okay, we're still respecting this FEG, bro. If we can get a big push and break bullish structure on the 1 minute, I think we should be clear. Yeah, that's another thing, bro. If market's gonna be ranging like this for the rest of the day, then we gotta see some sort of impulsive move. I'm not gonna trade based on some terrible price action because price action today is terrible. Price action today is literally terrible. But chat, if you're new to the live stream, give me a follow. Also, if you want to get coached by me one-on-one completely for free, if you don't understand what the hell I'm doing, or you looking at the charts and you're always feeling like you're losing or you're not getting payouts or you're literally not passing funded accounts, there could be an issue with your system or there could be an issue with your mindset or psychology or whatever it is. There could be an issue. So if you want to solve that issue and you want to get solutions for that issue, click the link in the bio, fill out the form. It's literally joinmobytrades.com. If you click the link, or you go in the bio, or if you're on TikTok, click the bio, you will literally get access to 3 days completely for free. I'm literally giving away 3 days completely for free for you guys because you're supporting me. And also, I want to make sure I can give you the best value I possibly can. If you're interested, click the link in the bio or click the link in the description and fill out the form. But I'm not liking how we're still respecting this FEG. If it continues to go down, then we might have to look for London lows and see if we get some sort of reaction out of London lows, which would be kind of an L. Appreciate the follow, bro. Moeen, I appreciate the follow, Moeen. Appreciate the follow. Damn, now the Twitch is looking good. I like this. I feel like a streamer now. We got the followers up there. We got the follower go over there, like around up here. We're getting interaction, bro. This is lit, bro. I can't lie. I appreciate every single one of you that actually turns up to these live streams and interact. This is so lit, bro. Like, I used to be so bored when I trade. Like, I used to literally sit here and be zoned in. But the fact that I can zone in front of you lot is so lit, bro. It is actually so lit. Someone should have put me onto this earlier. Like, I would have been live streaming on Twitch. But this is actually so lit. What's the market saying, Mr. Tangy? Hop on Twitch, bro. But I'm not looking at the chat. But the market's looking horrible right now. It's not really giving anything nice. I'm watching while cleaning my auntie's garden. Bro, I rate that, bro. I rate that. What are you doing to your auntie's garden, bro? Are you like building something, or you just cleaning it? Like you're just like cutting the grass and stuff. Let's see DXY. What's that saying? Damn, DXY had a big drop, but we're pushing up again. Okay, that could make gold go. No, no trades for me yet, bro. No trades for me yet. Gold is looking bearish, which is kind of annoying. On the lower time frame is looking bullish. We just gotta see how this FUG is. We're respecting price action though, like crazy. We're respecting this price action like crazy. See the 1 hour. What's the 1 hour saying again? Okay, the 1 hour is literally... The 1 hour is literally... Oh, this is techie because the 1 hour is looking bearish now. So created lower highs. I mean, I'm counting that as a liquidity sweep, so I'm looking for bullish breaker structures. I mean, yeah, true, but sometimes it doesn't always correlate. That's the problem. Like DXY could be up, but then gold could also be going up. And then it's like, that's the only thing. It doesn't always correlate. Think we have news today? Yeah, we had news literally like, well, how many minutes ago? 12 minutes ago? Look, we got 45 minutes. If price doesn't give me any significant move in 45 minutes, then I'm out of here, man. I'm out of here. So my call-off time is usually at 4 p.m. because it's like I've stared at the markets for 2 hours. If I can't see a move in 2 hours, and that's like New York openings, stock market opens, then it's like I'm most likely not gonna trade. There might be like a PM trade, New York PM trade, but like I may look at that. But I'm not hungry for money. I'm not hungry to rinse out the markets. Like we got a whole week ahead of us. And we did have a big drop yesterday as well. But we disrespected this FVG, which is great. Which is fantastic. Which has turned this into an inverse fair value gap. Now, if you guys are aware, I don't actually trade bait off inverse fair value gaps. I like to trade where there's a new fair value gap formed. So we can get rid of this FVG right now and see if we can form another a new FVG. But what's Silver saying? Silver's also looking bullish. Silver looks like it's done a peak liquidity sweep. Like that's a crazy liquidity sweep. Silver's pushing up quite well. Gold is so choppy. What the hell? Nah, for real, bro. In my opinion, inverse value doesn't exist apart from the fact that the FUG got ran through, meaning there's no liquidity there. Exactly, bro. Exactly. That's how I trade as well. It's nice to see that someone else thinks like that as well, because I know so many people that trade inverse fair value gaps, and I just don't understand why. Like if you draw out a fair value gap and you want it to get inversed, I get it, I hear it, but it's like at that point you wanna locate a new fair value gap to see if you can actually get a trade in. So 1 minute is officially bullish. 1 minute is definitely officially bullish. Now what we gotta do is we gotta see a fair value gap form. This fair value gap kind of got used already, so we can get rid of that as well. We got a bunch of liquidity here, so we could actually get like a good bullish run right now. Just waiting for an FVG to get formed on the 1 minute. The 5 minute is looking good as well. Never broke any bearish structure, which is great. Actually, no, technically we did. We did break structure here. We broke bearish structure right here, but on the higher time frame we didn't. Yeah, bro, that 50-minute rejection is crazy, bro. That 50-minute rejection is crazy. I'm definitely looking for some buys. Because if it wanted to push down, it would have pushed down. That 50-minute rejection is crazy. Yeah, I'm looking for buys right now. Right now, I'm looking for setups. This is going to be great. If this FVG can be formed, it's not formed yet, but if this FVG can be formed, okay, there we go. Let's see if price can get into this FVG. Or any type of FVG, to be honest. TikTok, if you need to live stream, hop on Twitch. I'm on Twitch right now. I'm not looking at the chat over here. Let's see if we can push a bit down, get into this FVG. I think we're about to get another FVG. Hasn't formed just yet. We've got 19 seconds. Let's see though. Let me get rid of that. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Okay, we got another FVG right here. Once price gets into one of these FVGs and gives us a move, like a bullish order flow, we should be great. We should be great. Maybe the 5 minute. If the 5 minute can also give us like a break of structure, I would literally enter straight away. Yeah, news already came out at 3, bro. 3 UK time. I'm not too sure where you at, but 3 UK time. If it disrespects this FVG, it's a bit of a bummer right there. Okay, it's looking pretty decent. It looks like it's respecting this FVG quite well. Jump in sells and thank me later. Why, bro? Why are we going in sells when we've just broken bullish break? We just had a bullish break structure on the 1 minute. Okay, if this can be bullish, bro, I'm going for buys. If this can close bullish, I'm going for buys for sure. Could be a risky one though, because the 5 minute, we haven't actually broken 5 minute structure, but I don't mind. I don't mind going for it. I mean, it could drop. It could drop. But I mean, could be a little bit of a risky one, but risky play. But let's see. I low-key want like a big, strong bullish candlestick. Got 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go for buys, guys. I'm gonna go for some buys. I'm gonna go for some buys. Has it activated a buy yet? No. There we go. There we go. I'm in some buys, long position, right over here. Where am I gonna put my stop loss? Probably gonna put my stop loss like here. Targeting London highs. Where's the best place to put a stop loss? Yeah, definitely below these lows. So we're in buys right now, chat. We're in buys right now. A bit of a risky one because of because it could easily reverse on me right now, but we're gonna go for it. Screw it. I'm already like 150 pounds up, which is crazy. Yeah, the risk reward isn't the best, but this is what price is giving us. I might even target some more highs, but this is what price is giving me right now. RR is like 1 to 1.5. Unfortunately, that's just what we got going on right now. Bro. There we go. I know TikTok might have just glitched out there, chat. I know TikTok just glitched out there, but I just had to enter. I just had to enter some trades. Yeah, RR is a bit mad. I could move my stop loss a bit closer, but it's just these lows are quite crazy. But we got to firm the RR. But TP1 will be... I mean, we got a bunch of TP. I'm just going to get rid of this FEG because it kind of already did its thing. Let's look at the 5-minute highs. So we got like a bunch of TPs. I mean, that would be a TP right there. Let me mark it in green so you lot can see. TP there, TP there, TP here. Bro, we got a bunch of liquidity up here. Bro, this trade's already doing quite well. We got a bunch of highs right here. So we'll see. And then obviously just targeting. Let's see if we can get some TP1 action. I might have to move my stop loss a bit closer though, because that TP1 is looking horrible. Do you move your stop loss to profit? Yeah, if I'm like seeing stuff, but look, okay, there we go. TP1 got hit, guys. Take some partials if you want to. I mean, the RR is a bit terrible here, but take some partials. TP1 has just been hit, chat. TP1 has just been hit. I would keep my stop loss below this FEG, but because we're in a very volatile market, it's like I just gotta firm it. But more time though, I could potentially like target more time. I could potentially target like even up here or something, these highs. But for now, I just want to see how market is, how it reacts to these levels for now. But chat, we've just hit TP1. If I was you, take some partials. If I was you, take some partials, chat. There we go. What a trade. What a trade. If you want, you can move your stop loss to break even. I'm testing out this new thing where I don't want to move my stop loss to break even. It's either I hit profits or I hit losses. But let's see. Let's see. If we get to like up here, then I'll move my stop loss closer. But yeah, for now, we should be decent. I'm liking price action there. I'm liking how we're moving right now. This is a good trade. So targeting right now is 33.29. But this is looking good. Chat, we're about to hit another TP, bro. We're about to hit another TP. Bro, these are so many opportunities for you to literally close your trades and hold. But this is looking good. Let's see how it reacts to these TPs now. The RR is a bit mad. Price move too quick, so I couldn't enter. Ah, tough one there, bro. There we go. Another TP hit, chat. Another TP hit, chat. There we go. Another TP hit. That is clean. This is clean, bro. This is clean. Another TP hit. Another TP hit. This is amazing, bro. I might actually take some partials here. I want to see what's the RR for that. I might look for when price hits to like there. So looking on the 5 minutes. 5 minutes is looking clean though. Now I'm not gonna move my stop loss to break even just yet. Yeah, I'm gonna take some partials right there. I'm loving price action though. This is amazing, bro. I'm gonna take some partials right there. Bro, we're up like 200 pounds right now. That is crazy. Okay, there we go. Calm. Right now, from the partials that I've just taken today, we're up 200, and obviously there was commissions, 265 pounds and 80 pence. Bro, that is literally that's literally just the first TPs, bro. We could actually low-key make almost a bag out of this trade. I don't think we will though, but we could maybe get close to a bag on this trade. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. But that's just with partials. I haven't moved my stop loss to break even just yet. I might do that though. I might move stop loss to break even in a sec. Just depends on how this candlestick closes. Literally depends on how the candlestick closes. But I do like my entry. You should try not closing partials sometimes too. You know, it is, bro. I close partials here because this is a good reversal point for price. Like, price could easily just reverse and tank on me right there because it is New York highs right now. So that's the only reason why I took some partials. And I may move my stop loss to break even as well in a sec. But I mean, TP1 is kind of like, we can get rid of that TP1, but that TP got hit. I mean, TP1 and 2, well, TP1 and 2 got hit, which is amazing. So let's see if sellers come in. Yeah, literally, bro. Let's see how this candlestick closes. If this candlestick closes like black, then I may move my stop loss to break even. TikTok, I'm now in a live trade. If you want to see it, hop on Twitch. I'm not looking at the chat on TikTok. But chat, we need to make some more money, bro. Market needs to keep going up. I'm not gonna lie to you though, I was risking quite a lot on this trade because of the risk rewards. I was risking quite a lot. Let me get another push to the upsides. W's in the chat. Nah, for real, bro. Therefore, some W's in the chat. Once I move my stop loss to break even, let's have some W's in the chat. You're becoming a scalper? Bro, you know what it is? If this is what market's gonna give me, then that's what I have to do, bro. That's literally what I have to do. Unfortunately, like, market has been moving weird. Like, but I mean, this trade had 0 drawdown, bro. I did not see reds at all as soon as I entered this trade. Which is kind of clean. I like days like this though. But let's see. If we can just break this structure right here in the next 30 seconds, we could be clean. But I'm going to move my stop loss to break even after this 5-minute closure. Literally in the next 2 minutes. Literally in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. How does scalping work? I mean, scalping, they're usually in and out of the trade. We're just very fortunate that the market just pushed right up and gave us, how many pips did it give us? It gave us around like 511 points. So like, that's very fortunate, right? Sometimes the market doesn't do that though. Sometimes the market moves weird, but I think we had good patience today. We had very, very good patience. We could have entered a lot earlier and been in a big range, like literally a huge range in the market. I'm liking the way this candlestick is forming. We've got 30 seconds. I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. Just bear with me, chat. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. Just make sure. There we go. Stop loss has been moved to break even. So right now, just to confirm, we have officially locked in 265 pounds and 80 pence. We've officially locked in. I can't remember how much that was again, but yeah, we've officially locked that. 260 quid, not too bad. Not too bad for a Tuesday. Can we lock in some more though? This could definitely hit like 5 bills at least. 5 to 6 bills at least. How many trades did I place? I placed I think it was like 2, 3 trades. I think it was like 2 standard lot sizes or 3 standard lot sizes. I'm not too sure. But it was like I placed like a bunch of like standard lot sizes and a small zero and then a 0.25 as well. So I need to do the maths on that. I just spammed it, bro. I can't lie. I'm loving price action though. This could hit full TP. I might even leave some runners. If we can go all the way up here, this could hit full TP. But I'm comfy now. I'm chilling. I'm chilling, chat. Let's get some W's in the chat though. Regardless of how this day ends, we're up. Regardless of how it ends, we're literally up. We've made money. This is what we up. So today we're gonna be up like another 1%, kind of. Like around 0.8%. Shall we call it a 1 hour trade? Let's actually secure some more profits though. I want to get at least a 1 hour from this trade, at least a 1 hour, because then we can lock in 1 hour, and then at least I think on live streaming we're like 2 hour up. Can someone in the chat journal for me? I'm gonna journal as well, but can people in the chat also journal the live stream trades? I'm gonna upload this on YouTube as well, but can someone in the chat journal my live stream trades? Because I can journal it, but I don't want people to think that I'm faking shit. So if someone in the chat can also do it so that we can reflect. But so far right now, in the space of 2 weeks, we're up like almost 2R on live streaming, almost 2R. So if anyone was doing prop firms, I mean, you're 2R up. If anyone has a live account, you're 2R up, which is great for 2 weeks. 1% per week, that's not too bad. That's basically 4% a month, which is good. Let's see what price is. I like how price is just pushing higher and higher, bro. This is amazing. Yeah, I might have to do it. I might have to start doing that trade recaps on TikTok. I usually do it on YouTube though. On YouTube, I just upload this whole live stream so you guys can see exactly how I entered, why I entered, and where I put my stop loss and where I put my targets and stuff like that. So if any of you have or want to know how I even got this trade, literally don't worry. I'm gonna upload it on YouTube after this video, after this live stream. Damn, we're cooking though, bro. We're cooking, chat. We're cooking. Yeah, I might have to do a trade recap on TikTok as well. I might start doing that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, bro. I got a few YouTube videos cooked in for you lot as well. I got a few YouTube videos. Once we break above these highs, I think we're gonna be good, chat. But price is just slowly not. It's like it wants to go up, but it's being very, very slow. We just need like one more big push to the upside. Bro, we hit like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we hit TP1, basically TP1 in 6 minutes, bro. How to find your draws on liquidity? Bro, I usually use like session highs and session lows, and also like highs and lows in the market, depending on my bias. All right, we got 1 minute on this candlestick. We got 1 minute on this candlestick. Can we hit this T? Can we hit 33.26? Can we hit 33.26 on gold? If I was to make a 5G on top of the prop firm account, do I keep that? Yeah. Yeah, you do. It depends. I don't know what prop firm you have, but yeah, you should do. Any profits that you make in your prop firm challenge, like once you've passed it, you should be able to keep that. By the way, chat, we do have our stop loss at break even. So I don't think market's going to crash down now. Like, this is a very strong candlestick upwards. Bro, we actually had a really good entry. This is some next level sniper entry. We had a look at the 50-minute time frame, chat. This is some sniper entry. This is clean. Can we just keep pushing up though? Oh. Can we keep pushing up? Come on, break these highs, chat. Break these highs. Bro, show us your chart. TikTok. I've said this multiple times. I'm live on Twitch. If you want to see my chart, you need to be on Twitch. It's pushing. No, it is, bro. So if you make 5K, you would keep 4K. Yeah, depends on the share, the profit share, but where's the ambience, bro? Play some tunes. Bro, I can't lie to you. I was gonna make a Spotify playlist for TikTok specific for the live stream specifically, but I just haven't had time, bro. I haven't had time. But chat, if you want to catch trades like this, I mean, we haven't had a L on live stream yet, and this is our third live stream, which obviously I can't wait to take an L on the live stream. However, we're cooking. And while I'm cooking, chat, if you want to be part of the one-on-one coaching program where you can find out trades just like this, click the link in the bio, fill out the form. It's joinmobytrades.com. Fill out the form. You get one-on-one coaching by me completely for free for the next 3 days. We're about to hit another TP, chat. We're about to hit another TP, chat. But keep running it up though, guys. Keep making some bread. But if you want to get coached by me and you want to get trades just like this, where we're guaranteed profits in this trade right now, we're literally in profits. Not only are we in profits, we secured some partials and we moved our stop loss to break even. We perfectly executed a trade with good risk management. If you're interested in stuff like this, you want to get coached by me completely for free for the next 3 days, click the link in the bio, fill out the form. But I'm liking the way price action is right now. We got 2 minutes left. Hopefully we can hit this TP as well. But I'm liking how price action is at the moment. We're going to keep going in this trade. If we can get to this TP, bro, we have secured a 1-to-1, which is amazing. Then we're 2R up for sure. Then we're 2R up for sure. But YFX, don't worry. Tomorrow we're going to get some tunes in. But if anything, send me your tunes, bro. Send me your tunes. Send me your Spotify playlist. We'll play that. Because, like, I don't even know what tunes to play, bro. I don't really listen to music like that. I'm going to be honest with you, chat. Like, I rarely, like, if I listen to music, it's like, yeah, I haven't actually listened to music in ages, but it's like old tunes, bro. It's not like a thing where I'm gonna be real, bro, but I'm not liking this projection that we're getting. We almost hit that TP. I think we're gonna hit this TP for sure. Okay, can we hit the next TP? Boom! There we go. Another TP locked in, chat. Another TP locked in, chat. We're gonna secure some more profits. I'm literally gonna secure some more profits, chat. Literally gonna secure some more profits, chat. So chat, we are now £327 and 90. Woo! Price is crazy. We hit the free bill mark. £329 or something like that. There we go. There we go. And our stop loss is at break even. So we're really racking in this trade. Can we get that extra 2 bills, please? Can we get the extra 2 bills? Can we get the extra 2 bills, chat? Let's see if we can break above this green level. Oh, that'd be sweet, bro. Yeah, full TP soon. I might leave this as a runner though. I might leave it as a runner. Because I don't mind. 3 bills, first trade of the week. I don't mind. I might leave some runners and see what price does. But obviously I might take some more partials here. But the position is looking clean though. I think we're still floating around 100 or 200 pounds right now. I need to check. Not liking how we just swept this. We just need to keep pushing up. Not liking how we swept that though. It might now reverse on us. It might reverse on us now, chat. Maybe a little bit of drawdown, but we may get full TP. But this is clean though. This is clean. This is good enough. This is good enough for us. Check Discord. Let's have a look. Not sure if you like it, just randomize songs. Say no more, bro. On my next live stream, I'll have a look. I see J.I. as the first tune, bro. I see J.I. as the first tune. Got some Dave in here. Got Kanye. Woo! Next TP. We're almost at our next TP chat. We're almost at... Bro, you rate J.I., bro. So you rate J.I. I can see. Got some J. Cole in here as well. See, these are like the American tunes. Ghostface 600. I got a story about Ghostface 600, you know. I got a story about him. I was in town one time. I didn't know who he was. I didn't know who Ghostface 600 was. And he was in town with a mask on. And I was like, who's this guy in a mask? He was in my city. And I just ended up chatting to him. He ended up giving me some merch that he's got. I still have it. And bear in mind, chat, I didn't even know who this guy was. Like, I just saw this guy had a mask. He's in town. And I was like, bro, that's the ghetto thing you can do. However, I was like, you know, I don't mind having a convo with him. Like, at the time, I'm gonna be real. I was a youngin'. I had grills on my mouth. I was like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was looking like I was weird. You know what I'm saying? So I spoke to him, had a really nice convo with him. Turns out he does music. I was like, say, like, bro, let me hear your music. Played some tunes. I was like, shit, bro, I never even heard of you. And he just gave me his CD and a t-shirt completely for free. And he was literally like, bro, if you want to listen to my music, here's a CD. And just gave me exclusive songs, bro. Bro, I'll show you the merch in the next live, bro. I'll show you the merch in the next live. I had to give it to my girl because it's too small on me now. Because at the time, I was a young one, bro. I was like, what was I, like 19 years old? And I was skinny as hell. Chat, we've just hit... Have we hit TP? We haven't hit the TP yet, but we're about to hit next TP. But yeah. Yeah, I can't lie to you. He's hard, though. He's hard. I know he, like, did something... He, like, got a case of it about his cousin or something, but... I don't talk too much about Next Man and his problems. But yeah, that was... Yeah, he's a hard rapper still. Got some tunes in here, though, bro. Got some tunes in here. I can't lie. Some of them are a bit brazy, though. I'm not about to play... Bed. I'm not about to play that on my live, bro. But yeah, they got some good tunes. Boom. Can we get some more TPs, bro? Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Can we get some more TPs, chat? What's my favorite artist? Okay, cool. Okay, so UK or America? America, I can't lie to you. I'm gonna have to say NBA Youngboy. I'm just gonna have to say Youngboy. America is Youngboy for sure. Youngboy is my favorite artist. I've been mashing Youngboy from literally school days. I play basketball, so the UK mandem, you're gonna have to firm that L right there. But yeah, Youngboy. No, I like Lil Baby. I like Lil Baby, but Youngboy, bro, I can't lie to you. Youngboy is the one still. Youngboy is the one. Shoreline Mafia, I mean, he's good, bro. But has he made new tunes? I haven't listened to Shoreline Mafia in like 4 years, bro. Like, I think the last song tune that I heard from him was, I think it was Pressure. A Boogie? Bro, no one's saying Youngboy. Chat, come on, chat. No one. Next live stream, I'm playing only Youngboy, chat. I'm literally playing only Youngboy. We're getting a bit of a drop right now. I'm not liking how we didn't get to hit these targets. We got a bunch of liquidity stacked up over there. I'm not liking how we're not slapping that liquidity. Have you heard Shot Calling by Youngboy? I haven't heard Youngboy's tune in a minute. Like I said to you, I haven't listened to music in a minute. Like, I haven't listened to tunes in a minute. But UK though, let's see what kind of UK artists you know. Okay, cool. Everyone's gonna say Dave. Dave is from my area, so he's from Streatham. So I'm from Streatham as well. Like, I'm around there, so I'm gonna have to rep Dave on that one. But Tunde's good. I can't lie. Alright, the UK man, they got some guys on here. Okay, cool. Cool. Let me see. Okay, so back in the day, I used to mash Snap Capone. Any of you know Snap Capone? Let's see if you man really know some artists. I used to listen to Scraps, Snap Capone, a bit of Dave. What else? Yeah, Dig That, but Dig That's Croydon. I gotta rep the Croydon as well. Used to listen to Dig That. Maybe you know the OG, of course, bro. Of course. OG Snap, bro. Snap Capone is one of my favorite. When I was younger and I used to go to school, bro. When I used to go to college and that, bro, Snap Capone was in my ears, bro. Harlem Spartan, I appreciate the follow. I appreciate the follow, chat. Uber Jelly Bean, I appreciate the follow. Harlem Spartans, bro. I used to listen to Section Boys, bro. I used to listen to Section Boys. Harlem Spartans, yeah. Harlem Spartans, because the man I'm in Harlem Spartans, I used to play basketball in Kenneton, so Harlem Spartans as well. Who else, bro? Who else do I used to listen to? Bro, we're talking about years ago. These are school days tunes. Who else, bro? Mostack? Nah, can't lie. SL from Ends as well. So I used to listen to SL. But I can't lie, SL was a bit of a weird one because boom, there we go. Next TP hit. Because SL had problems with a couple of my friends. So I didn't really listen to him as much. But his tunes are good. Chat, we're about to hit full TP on this trade. We're about to hit full TP on this trade. I don't know chat Cash Cobain. I can't lie to you. Who else? Oh, man. Bro, we're about to hit full TP. We're about to hit full TP, chat. K-Coke. Yeah, that's an OG as well. That is an OG as well. I'm trying to find, like, I'm gonna have to run up my old playlist. Do you man want to hear my, oh, bro, how can I forget? Blade Brown and K-Trap. Those are the OG. I can't lie. Them two, Blade Brown, I can't lie to you. He's another one I gotta say that I used to mash him still. I used to listen to him. I can't lie to you. Blade Brown and but you might, if you guys listen to the tunes I used to listen to, you'll understand why I don't listen to music. Because I used to indulge in those kind of tunes. And I used to do that before trading, bro. I used to listen to like Blade Brown before trading and stuff like that. I can't lie to you, it's crazy. Can we get full TP though? We've just hit another set of TPs, bro. But let's see. Let's see what price is doing. I'm not liking the tank that we're getting. Can we not? Are we not gonna hit London highs? I think we're gonna hit London highs. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. I didn't really take partials over here because it's so close to my TP. But let's see. Let's see. I might have to move my stop loss more into profits though, because we're getting really close. Yeah, there's no way if it doesn't hit London, if it just tanks right now, L's, bro, L's. But we're still up for the day, so I can't. Yeah, I can't lie to you. I might have to bring in my old playlist. My old playlist will get you man hyped up. It will get you man. If you're from the UK, you man are gonna be like, rah, like, what is this? What Moby's on? Cool, say no more. We're about to finesse the markets. Okay, cool. I can't lie to you. I need to once we hit TP, I need to, because I haven't actually plugged in the TP on my thing. I might close the full trades. Let's see, because we're at 48. We're almost at another macros. We're getting close. What a trade though, chat. What a trade. How much am I floating right now? How much am I floating? Okay, so I'm literally floating 250 pounds. It's like 240, 250 pounds. We're literally floating right now. So if we close this, we've hit a 5 bill day. If we close this, we're up 5 bills. I'm guessing, hopefully. Yeah, no, it definitely will. I just want to make sure that, because I haven't actually plugged in the TP, but I have a feeling it's going to smash TP and keep going up. But let's just see. The only exit confirmation I could say is like if price literally hits my break even. Or like, it's got this fair value gap price. If price goes below these lows, I might even move my stop loss like to these lows, because if price goes below these lows, then it's definitely disrespecting the fair value gaps. But I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it, chat. We definitely need to hit this full TP, so I'm just gonna leave it. And we're already creating lower highs, which is kind of an L. Can we push up? I always use inverse as exit confirmation. It slaps. Yeah. So what inverse fair value gap are you talking about though? So like if it inverses one of my 5-minute fair value gaps, or like, yes sir, yes sir, FM Banks, yes sir. I'm so happy that you guys are winning with me. This is so great, bro. This is so great. But yeah, I'm after plug in some tunes tomorrow. I didn't know. Wait, I didn't know some of you man liked like if you man want to listen to UK tunes. I've got a playlist. I got my old playlist. I can just slap it on. It will hype you man up. But my American playlist is just YoungBoy, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I got YoungBoy, Lil Baby, Da Baby. Yeah, I'm have to drop my UK playlist. It's very like it will make you want to finesse the markets. I'll say that. When you listen to the music, it's gonna make you think, okay, I need to rinse out the markets today because I need to stack up 100K. Yeah, no one wants to hear YoungBoy. I can't lie to you, bro. YoungBoy is. I can't lie to you, chat. I might have to convert you guys to YoungBoy listeners. And I'm sorry that I have to do this, but I might just have to do that, bro. Send the playlist. Which one, bro? The UK or the American? I'll send you the UK playlist. I'll send it to you. I need to go on Spotify for that. But I'll send you the UK playlist. Cool, send them more, bro. I haven't updated it, but do anyone here listens to DBE? Give us one tune from YoungBoy. Okay, cool. Listen to this is gonna be because if you don't like YoungBoy, I need to make sure you guys got the best tunes. Gotta listen to Casey Talk by YoungBoy. Okay, that's a good one. But if it's your first time listening to YoungBoy, okay. A first tune to listen for YoungBoy. Oh, I don't even know, bro. I can't lie to you. I might have to look at my playlist because there's a bunch of tunes. Bro, I can't lie. I need to think. I've got a brain. My brain is fried up, bro. I can't lie to you. I need to see. I'm gonna next live stream. I'm gonna put you guys onto YoungBoy. Like I'll actually put some good tunes in. What kind of when you see because YoungBoy's versatile. Like he's got some like some tunes, and then he's got some like he's got some love tunes, and he's got some like rock star tunes and stuff like that. I know he's got some Michael Jackson type tunes as well. So he's very versatile. But I just need to know what kind of tunes you like, and then I can plug you into a tune because I can give you a tune that I like, and then it's a thing where it's like that tune you might not like it. But Vet Motors, I like that. That tune I used to have it on replay like 3 summers ago when it came out. But when it comes to, I like the old tunes. I like the old YoungBoy tunes. The old YoungBoy tunes go hard. Like when he was like 16, 17 years old. If you guys know about Audio Mac, if you man know about Audio Mac, them times when you can't pay for Spotify, bro, that's where I used to listen to YoungBoy, bro. All the unreleased tunes, bro. Bro, Audio Mac is the one still. I don't know if that still exists, but Audio Mac is definitely the one. Untouchable by YoungBoy. That's a good bro. Through the storm. Okay, cool. TikTok's chat is cooking. Okay, yeah. Through the storm's good as well. Bro, there's too many tunes, bro. Like one of my good friends. We both were listening to YoungBoy. We didn't even realize, and it actually outside is also a good tune. Slime Mentality, another good tune. Bro, I might have to start playing some tunes, bro. I might have to start playing some tunes. Next stream, I'm playing some tunes, bro. Because I'm on TikTok right now, so I can't go on Spotify. But it looks like we're getting cooked though right now. We might have a little bit of a pullback and then price pushes up. Let's see. I'm not even trading. I've actually been watching. Bro, NQ is a nightmare, bro. Especially the way price action's going. Like, if gold is like this, I don't even want to see. Let's see what NQ's saying. Oh, loady. Oh, loady. Yeah, NQ I would have never had a position. Actually, maybe I would have actually. Actually, no, we could have easily got a position in NQ. Exit out of this FEG. Easy plays. I think NQ would have been a way better RR. Short position here. Stop loss above that candlestick. Targeting. Liquidity levels. Bro, all of this liquidity, bro. Bro, NQ would have given us a nice move, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's a 1 to 3 RR. That would have been my NQ move. Around 3 p.m. just after news. Yeah, after the new red fold up. That's crazy. But if anything, there was a pullback as well you could have entered. Bro, gold is moving like annoying right now. So we hit basically majority TPs. We've secured a 1.38. We're literally just trying to get that 1.5R now. Now that if I kept my stop loss like this tight, bro, this would have been a 5R day today. Unfortunately, because of market, the way it's moving, I wasn't confident with my stop loss being that tight. Twitch, if you need to live stream, or chat, if you need to live stream, give me a follow. Give me a follow. We're trying to hit 100 followers. Literally ASAP. There's not even a time scale. Is this we're actually overdue now. Come on, guys. I appreciate the follow. Moji the goat. I appreciate the follow. Oh, Moji the goat. How long you live for? I'm gonna be live until literally 4 more minutes. In the next 4 minutes, I'm gonna switch off the live because I've got some coaching calls to do. But yeah, if you guys want to be part of my coaching 101 completely for free, click the link in the description as well. We're racking up students right now, literally changing every trader's life one trader at a time. If you want to be successful, you want to get to a level where you have clarity in the trading game, I definitely recommend you to fill out the form. My NQ today would have been perfect for my strategy. Yeah, NQ looked good. But I mean, bro, you made money today, so it's good. I think we're about to hit TP though. I think we're about to hit TP. We're therefore due to hit TP in a sec. Come on, gold. If it doesn't hit TP, I'll update you guys on TikTok or Instagram of how the trade went. But we'll see. Did you got like 3 more minutes? What do you trade on most of the time? I trade on gold, bro. I trade on gold. Come on, London highs, bro. Come on. London highs. I'm not liking how we're just barely tapping into London highs. I'm not liking that. Bro, that 1 hour candlestick, bro, was so clean. So clean, bro. When are you live again? So I go live on I go live every single day, Monday to Thursday at 2 p.m. UK time. So just before stock exchange opens. I'm not liking that rejection though. That rejection is a bit of a weird one. We're just gonna, I mean, we're still up like 3 bills, so it's not too deep. Bro, all I'm waiting for is price to literally push up. Yeah, we're looking pretty decent. Okay, we got one more minute, chat, and then I will send you a follow on the Instagram, bro. Send them more, bro. Send them more. I'm gonna end the live stream, chat, literally in the next 1 minute because I've got some coaching calls. But this is a great trade, chat. Regardless of how the trade ends, we're in profit. And what an entry, chat. What an entry. Like, this is an amazing trade. I'm not gonna lie to you. Great execution, really good patience, and we literally smashed it. And I think we're about to hit full TP as well. So we're good, chat. But TikTok, I'm about to dip. Twitch, where I'm about to dip as well. I mean, if you guys are logging in, we're like 2 hour up now, which is great. 2.5R. I wait. We may hit full TP. We may hit full TP. Can we hit full TP chat? I might just let's just firm it. My student's gonna have to firm it. It's trading. He might have to firm it. Might have to firm it, chat. Can we get full TP, bro? Come on, chat. Come on. My coaching student might have to firm this one. Come on, chat. This candlestick, come on, chat. This candlestick's gotta do it. This candlestick's gotta do it. This candlestick's got to do it. Bro, my student's gonna have to firm this one. We're gonna have to be a little bit late. Bro, this candlestick's gotta do it, bro. Oh, don't do this, bro. If this candlestick's like that, I'm just gonna have to end the live stream. Don't do this to us, though, bro. Come on, one more candlestick. Come on, push up. Come on, chat. Let's get some W's in the chat. Come on. Yeah, bro, I can't lie to you. We're definitely gonna have full TP though. Definitely needed. Definitely needed. Full TP. Nah, moms, it better not do that. I mean, yeah, chat, I can't lie to you. I'm gonna have to firm it. I've got a student literally right now, but I'll give you guys updates on TikTok and stuff for that. But if you're gonna see this trade on YouTube, chat, okay? So regardless, we had such a fantastic day. All we're literally waiting for is like we're literally waiting for like 6 points. We're literally looking for 6 points. So let's just hope we can get that. I mean, the 1 minute. Let's see what happens. I appreciate the follow. I appreciate the follow. Who just followed me? Billy. I appreciate the follow, Billy. I appreciate the follow. But yeah, chat, I'm going to have to go. It's just goals like hesitating. It's just edging us on right now. We're just going to have to leave the markets alone. Let the markets do its thing. And I will see you lot I'll see you lot tomorrow. But I'll give you updates on YouTube and TikTok and stuff for that. All right, chat. But see you lot later.